welcome back to the channel. It's Nisha B Cooking. So today we are making the best white rice. When I tell you I make the best rice, y'all, I make the best white rice. You hear Sammy in the background? He's saying we make it fresh. Yes. Okay. Anyway, so if you haven't seen my latest video, go ahead and go watch that. Rewind the clip for us. Nisha be cooking over here. I'm here with my friend Anastasia.
Hey y'all.
Hey. At this area right now as we speak. And I'll probably need the chewables because I cannot take pills. So that would be good for me.
Would you like it?
Sure. Heck yeah. Alright y'all, so yes, go check out my videos, check out my channel, make sure you subscribe, and we're going to go ahead and get right to this rice, okay? So, the first thing you will need is a measuring cup. Well, actually, I'm already wrong, hold up. The first thing you're going to need is this rice. So, Sammy and I, obviously, we eat rice a lot, so it's not that much left here. We're about this strong right now. So, the first step, let me show y'all the trick. A lot of y'all probably know this. I'm laughing because this is funny. So, what? Oh, now he wants some cereal. Okay, hold on. Let me make the rice that you asked for, okay? Okay, so, first, number one trick to making rice, y'all, is if you make 1 cup of rice, you gotta put 2 cups of water. If you make half a cup of rice, you gotta put 1 cup of water. That's the number one trick with rice. Y'all probably already noticed. But I just had to brag because I make the best rice. And Aroma helps me. Aroma, the brand right here. This mug. That mug helps me out. Yes. Okay.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime.
Alright. So that's a half a cup. Only because it's for Sammy. Then, pour all that in there. And we put 1 cup, we put a half a cup of rice. So we're going to put 1 cup of water. Y'all see that? 1 cup. Pour it on in there. And let me tell y'all how I make this best rice. What I do here is I plug this thing in right here. Then I put this lid on that it came with. And then bam, cook. It's that easy. I make the best rice, y'all. I'm trying to tell y'all. See, some people got this difficult stuff here. I can't do this difficultness. White rice, brown rice, steam, slow cook. Like, I don't know what this is. I keep trying to tell y'all, I'm a simple girl. I'm simple. And Sammy loves me. Yes, the click of a button, white rice is on its way. Nisha be cooking. So, what do we do while we wait for the rice to get done? Can you see me? Yeah? I look pretty? You looking at the camera? Do I look pretty, Sammy? Don't touch nothing. You want to see the camera? It's cool, huh? Mommy got a cool camera. You want to wear it? Ooh. Ooh. You film, Mommy? Don't drop it now. Don't drop it now. Don't drop it. Can you see me? You gotta look at, you gotta point it at me. You trying to look at the rice? Uh-oh. You filming Gigi now? You like that, huh? It's cool, huh?
It's too heavy.
It's too heavy? Look at that. Ooh, it's cooking. Ooh, yes. All right, y'all. Takes about 24 minutes. And now it's done. So I literally just add butter and sugar. It's fogging up the lenses.
Dance with my dogs in the nighttime. Trap nigga with the chickens like Popeye. Money changing colors like in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. Whip it in the kitchen, wrist twisted like it's stir fry. I'll take a whip it intermission, let the birds fly.
Yeah. It's ready. It's just cooling down, okay? Getting a little impatient. You're gonna throw it? You're gonna blow it? Oh, okay. Well, it's super duper hot. Like, see that steam? It's all ready. It's ready for the... Oh. Oh. He cannot wait. This face, though. It's alright. It's cooling down. Did y'all see how simple that was? And I makes the best white rice. White rice. I'm getting tongue-tied. White rice. White rice. Sammy, do we like blue rice?
No.
Come tell him.
I don't like blue rice.
You don't like blue rice? What about yellow rice?
No.
Dirty rice?
No.
What about brown rice?
No.
White rice?
No. Yes.
Yes, white rice. Purple rice?
No.
White rice.
Yes.
Alright, y'all. Y'all heard it. You happy now? You got your white rice? Oh, it's hot. Blow it. It's still super hot.
Mama, you're snowing.
It's snowing? Yeah. It's snowing under the water.
That's all I want to know. Snow on the letters.
Mm-hmm. Alright, y'all. I think Sammy said it all. I makes the best white rice. Thank you, Aroma Rice Cooker. I should get a deal. Alright, y'all. So if y'all haven't subscribed to my channel already, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I think is somewhere down there. It's red. It says big old subscribe. Go ahead and hit that. If you like the video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you have these problems at home, go ahead and give me a thumbs up because you already know how I'm dealing with it. I think he's about to come ask for more. Uh-oh. Did I make enough? You already know I did. Anyways, yes, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and share. And if you haven't already, go ahead and view some of my other videos. Make sure you get all caught up on those because I got some new things coming for y'all. All right. Nisha be cooking, y'all. Make sure you follow me on all social media: Facebook, Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter. Yeah. See you later.